350 4x4. Foot brake, foot peg, spark plug. Got some nice Yamaha hubcaps here. In here as well. New bars, I painted them, not too bad. And a nice Yamaha logo. It's a good farm bike. Reverse, neutral light and the temperature light. Accelerator, mirror I added on. Handbrakes down, stop start button, kill switch, and headlights, high beam, low beam. Rear light. And rear box. Moto 4. A nice big towable 50mm. Pull trailers with ease. A disc brake at the back. And 2 drum brakes at the front. Hydraulic. Here's the front diff and the 2 A-arms, or 2 sets of A-arms. And a bit smashed up the front bumper because someone's crashed it. Not me, but yeah. And the front carrier, I put wood on so I can add things to it. Over here is the forward reverse switch. High ratio, low ratio, and reverse. Down here, fuel tap, currently off, and carburetor, and yeah. Shifter down here, trunk up there, and pull starter if you break down, but it does have an electric start. Down here is the drive shaft to the rear diff, and the swing arm. One single suspension arm down here and suspension there. Battery, BS battery is a very good brand. Always stay lasted. Really good bike, farm bike, whatever you want it to be. You can go around 50 to 60k. And we'll do some videos of driving it. We shall now start it up. What you do is you flip the switch here, neutral light should appear, and that means it's ready to start. Handbrakes on, starts up on the dot. And the front lights will be also on as well, but I need to replace the other